In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the website theme in GoDaddy Website Builder step by step. If you want to refresh your site's look, update your brand colors, or completely transform the style of your website without rebuilding everything from scratch, this is the easiest way to do it. The best part is that GoDaddy makes this process very simple, and you can see the changes instantly before publishing them live. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the final publish step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you need to sign in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username or email address and your password, then complete any verification steps if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your GoDaddy dashboard where you can manage all your products and services. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your username. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select My Products. This will show you a list of all the products connected to your GoDaddy account, including domains and websites. Scroll down until you find the website you want to edit. Make sure you're selecting the correct site if you have multiple websites in your account. Once you've found it, click on it to continue. Now, click on the Edit Website button. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor. Give it a few seconds to load, and you'll see your website displayed in editing mode. From here, you can modify text, images, sections, and of course the overall theme of your site. To change your website theme, look at the top right corner of the editor. You'll see a menu option labeled Theme. Click on that option. As soon as you open it, you'll be able to customize the overall design settings of your website. This is where you can control your site's visual identity in just a few clicks. Inside the theme settings, you can adjust your color palette. Choose primary and secondary colors that match your brand. As you select different colors, you'll see a live preview of how they affect buttons, backgrounds, and text accents across your entire website. This makes it very easy to experiment without committing to anything immediately. You can also change the fonts used throughout your site. GoDaddy provides font pairing options so your headings and body text look professional and consistent. Try different combinations until you find one that reflects your brand personality, whether that's modern, elegant, bold, or minimal. In addition to colors and fonts, you can adjust button styles and other design elements. For example, you can change button shapes, corner styles, and overall styling to better match your website's tone. These small design updates can make a big difference in how polished and cohesive your site looks. Take your time reviewing the changes in preview mode. Scroll through different pages of your website to make sure everything looks good. Because the theme settings apply across your entire site, it's important to double-check headings, sections, and call to action buttons. Once you're happy with the new theme design, the final and most important step is to publish your changes. Look for the Publish button, usually located in the top right corner of the editor. Click Publish to make your updated theme live on your website. Within seconds, visitors will see your refreshed design. And that's it. You've successfully changed your website theme in GoDaddy Website Builder. As you can see, it only takes a few minutes to completely transform the look and feel of your site. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.